All right, Sam, today we're learning how to install Windows.
Install Windows? Isn't that a job for construction workers? I mean, do I need a hammer?
No Windows, the operating system. You know, what makes your computer actually work?
Wait, computers don't just come with it?
Well, sometimes they do, but today we're installing it ourselves. First, grab the installation file.
Sure.
No, Sam, not actual Windows, the software.
Oh, got it.
No free downloads. That's how you invite viruses into your PC.
Viruses? Like digital ants?
No, say goodbye to your personal data viruses.
Okay, let's do this properly. I'll get the official installer. I'm genius.
You watched me to do everything.